If you are new in Adobe Photoshop, then no worries. This is the first video of Adobe Photoshop in which I'm going to show the interface of Adobe Photoshop. Mostly I'll explain how to start Adobe Photoshop and how to create a new canvas of Adobe Photoshop. First of all, let me clarify what is canvas. It's the area defined in Adobe Photoshop in which we are going to design our projects, our photos, and so on. As you can see here, it's a interface of Adobe Photoshop. This is what you will see if you open, and when you open the Adobe Photoshop, this is just recent files which can be changed into list and into grids, and here are the some sessions. All these functions are different according to your subscription plan. Like I have your files shared with you, Lightroom photos, deleted photos, or deleted work, whatever it is. It's all about the cloud-based files. Like your files, it's also a cloud-based. If you are using the pirated version of Adobe Photoshop, then I don't think you are able to see such kind of functions by Adobe. Again, about the plans. Now let's move to our topic, that is how to create a new file in Adobe Photoshop. Just click on new file. There are a lot of items which I recently used, and you can also see your used items. Created items are already present in Adobe Photoshop, like photo, print, art, and illustrations, so you don't need to worry about the sizes. Everything is well maintained and everything is given here, like letter A4, letter legal, tribold A4, and you can see a lot of features, a lot of presets in Adobe Photoshop. Like for web, you wanna design for a web large, web medium, web minimum, and again about the film and video, about the mobile. So everything is present there. I don't want to waste your time in this, so we are going to create our own canvas in Adobe Photoshop. So for that you have to just fill the details of preset. For now, this is just a name of, I can say this is name of the project which we are going to add now, like it's a test, but no worries, this is a optional, and you can also change the name of your project while exporting. And here we can define the width of our canvas, and like now for 1500 pixels, and you can change the size into inches, centimeters, millimeters, points, pixels, and pixels. If you are working on a screen, then definitely you should go with the pixels. If you are working for a print media, then inches, centimeters, and millimeters already given there. Next is height. I suppose I wanna height, no, let's say 750 pixels. And orientation, which you can, it's asking you about, like you wanna present your canvas in horizontally or vertically. If you wanna present your canvas, then you should choose this orientation. It's as you can see here, it automatically changes the width and the height size, and again it's up to you. And there is one more thing. Suppose if you wanna increase the size of your canvas by double, then you don't need to calculate your values or do something else. This is already intelligent software, so you can, like, I wanna multiply it with 2, it's 3000. Again, I can divide this, and here you can check the size is already changed. So you can use, addition, multiplication, and division in Adobe Photoshop pixel values. The next is resolution. This is really important for you. If you're working for a screen media, then 72 pixel per inch is enough. It's showing here you wanna present it with pixels or in centimeters. Now I'm going to select pixels per inch. It means there are 72 pixels per inch. Suppose you have an image of 5 by 5 inches, then you can calculate the pixels, how many pixels are there in your image or in your project. You if you're again if you're working for a screen media, then definitely you should choose 72 pixels per inch, because these are enough. And if you are working for a print media, then definitely you should go with the higher pixels per inch, like 150 or 300. And I can you just need to put the value here, and the pixels per inch value automatically will be changed, because I'm working for a screen media right now, so 72 pixels are enough for me. The next is color mode. There are five color yeah, there are five kinds of colors here, but mostly people are used RGB and CMYK, because these are the most used color modes in Adobe Photoshop, or I can say in Adobe Creative Cloud. RGB for screen, it's a red, green and blue. As per logics, red, green and blue the major color for human eye, because these are the first colors which we can see. Other colors are the addition, multiplication or subtractions of these three colors. This is how our human eye can see the colors. So if you are working for screens, you then you should choose RGB colors, because these colors are more brighter than CMYK color. CMYK colors are used for a print design. It's meaning cyan, magenta, yellow and black. So if you're working for a print media, then definitely you should choose CMYK colors, because these colors are designed in Adobe Creative Cloud, especially by understanding the printing machine's color scheme, because this is how printing machines are work. So again, for print media you should choose CMYK color scheme. And live colors, we don't need to use this in right now. In Adobe Photoshop, again, grayscale and it's a monogram, bitmap. The next is widths. How many widths you are using to design your project? It's the most important question, because a lot of guys asked me about that. Like, the colors are different in Adobe Photoshop, however when they export the file or when they send the file to other person, then the colors are completely different. This is the reason behind that, because it depends on like how many widths do you want to use in Adobe Photoshop to make any project, to complete any project. No doubt, if you are using 16 bit or 32 bits, it gives you more command to the colors. However, when you are going to export the file, then definitely you should convert it in a 8-bit color scheme. Because if you are using an 8-bit color scheme, then the colors would be same in all the screens. If you are using 16 bit 32 bit, then definitely colors will be scattered, or colors will be different in all screens, because everyone not have any expensive screens to see the projects, to see the designs. So we have to convert the widths as per the simple screen. Even if you upload your photos at any social media platform, then definitely the social media platform compress the file size of the images or videos, then the colors may be scattered. So you don't need to use 16 or 32 widths while exporting the file. And the next is background content. It's a white for now. You can choose any different colors. Well, you don't need to use these functions, because it can be changed in canvas as well. Next is advanced options. Here you can see the color profile. This is again about the screens. sRGB, it means simple red, green and blue. It's again about the screens. If you are using a simple sRGB color scheme, it means the colors are limited. Colors are presented as per these simple screens. So if you are using Adobe RGB or regular RGB, then the colors are more. It means it would be difficult to see all the colors in all screens like in simple screens. According to your screen, you can see a lot of colors in Adobe Photoshop. As I have a iMac right now, so that's why there are a lot of functions, there are a lot of color profiles in my computer, but I prefer to use sRGB, as I already explained it to you. Next is square pixels ratio, how you want to present your pixels in the Photoshop. Again, I would prefer to use square pixels, as I already explained it to you in my last video. If you didn't watch yet, then definitely you should watch that video. In that video I explain about the pixels. Everything is fine for now. Suppose if you wanna save your preset for the future projects, because in future you don't want to add your information again and again, so that's the preferable thing to save your preset. Test 1, and just click on this icon. Yes, now you can see here our preset is saved. Now by just clicking on the preset, everything is changed. This is really a time-saving thing. If you're working on same kind of designs, if you are working on same kind of color schemes, sizes, then definitely you should save it as a preset. It would be very convenient to you, like for creating a canvas again and again. Now I'm just going to click on a create, so it will create our canvas. Now this white area is canvas. It means the information or the things we are going to design is only available on this area. For example, I am using brush tool, as you can see here. Now my brush is here, what I can see, and we can see the design only in the canvas. So if you use the artboard, then design will be presented all over the area we are using for designing. So in next video I'm going to explain about these tools. These are the most important tools for Adobe Photoshop. In next video I'll also explain the shortcut of these tools and the use of these tools. Everything will be explained. So I hope you like this video. If you really like, then share it with your friends so that they can also get some information from this video and learn something new. Again, if you like this video, then share, subscribe, and do let me know in comment section. And thank you for watching.